Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make delicious healthy cucumber salad, and it's very easy to make it. These are the ingredients you need. You need 1 cucumber, small red onion, small dill, black pepper, and mayonnaise. Please, let's start. You can use grater to cut it, or you can use your knife to cut it nicely. You see nice look? Okay, you put it aside. You chop the onion. You chop it small. You can use half or you can use all, because it depends how you want onion to go to your salad. Chop it nice like this. And you add it to cucumber, the one you have cut it, you add it to it. And you are come to chop the dill, so you remove that hard thing in the bottom, you remove it. And you chop this one too, you chop it nicely. And you add it to cucumber. And you add a little bit of black pepper, a pinch of black pepper. And you add a pinch of salt, not too much. You add it to it. And you mix all together. Add the mayonnaise to it and you mix it. Yeah, you mix nicely. Check how yummy and delicious it looks. Yeah, please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Please don't forget to leave your comment on my comment section. It's ready to serve. Enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.